So this morning we are headed to a commercial property. It's in like a little arcade, so it might get a little loud. I'll try to turn the volume down, but it's a ceiling mini split. It's in the ceiling. We got to drop all the covers and stuff off, and we got to redo the flares. I think those flares, they're cracked for being over tightened and caused a refrigerant leak. So I'm headed over there now to get started. The mini split's like up on this awning roof thing, and it's really hard. It's in a really tough spot, let's just say. And I got some help coming to give me a hand. But it's definitely going to be it's going to be a pain. It's going to be one of those frustrating ones, tight spots. I'm trying to redo the flares and everything, just all tight spots. But I think we'll get it. I think it'll go by easier than what we're thinking. So I'm going to try to film as much as I can. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, see you when we get there. My little giant actually fits perfect. There's the mini split on the awning, and then right through this door. That unit there. That's what we're working on this morning. There's literally no refrigerant in there. I took the core out, nothing. Alright, so I got the shroud off. Just 4 screws. All that comes off. Your line set and flares are right in that corner. So I'm going to see if I can access everything, do it with my hands, and then go from there. It's going to be a tough one, so I'm not sure if I can get it on camera. Flare, there's not enough line set. I'm like that much away from these things, and my helper's not here yet, of course, but I just need him to push that unit just enough so I can get it to grab and get it tightened down. It's just there's no play, no extra line set left, like nothing, and I'm trying to avoid running a new line set, and you can't get torches up in there, so I don't know. I'm just gonna keep breaking my back, I guess, until the help gets here. It sucks that they show up so late. Like this is how close we are, and there's no slag, man. All right, I finally got it to fit. Help still ain't arrived. It's 9:01. And I'm doing a nitrogen test. I'm looking up the warranty now on it. It's a commercial, so I don't think it's going to have a warranty. I think those threads were just jacked up from the beginning because the flare I took off don't look bad. I think whoever installed it just messed those threads up because it's leaking in the exact same spot. It's not holding nitrogen. So I'm going to give them an estimate just to replace that whole head unit and be done with it. Alright, so he is getting a new, they wanted to wait. It's a restaurant. They want to save money, spend it somewhere else. So they're going to just replace that coil. That coil is like 7 months out. But they're going to wait. So
at the stop sign, keep right onto East County Highway.
We couldn't get a head unit. We couldn't get any of that stuff. Oh, forgot to strap my ladder down. It's like I'll fix that when we get there. But they couldn't get any of that stuff or anything. So we are going to order the coil, and we'll come back out here, and we're going to take that whole unit out the ceiling to change that coil. It's going to be fun. Off to the next one. It's another restaurant, and we're looking at a hood vent. See you there. They want us to climb up there and look at those hood vents. So we gotta get a ladder, go up on that roof and walk all the way across. Crazy. I'm up here on this metal roof. One of these big old hood vents is not working, he said. This one's working. This one's working. That one's working. Alright, we got one more over there to look at. Dude, I don't know. It's working. They are all working. This one's not working here. Belt came off. Looks like we got an extra belt down there. Oh, come on. Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O. Woo. Some nasty boy. See, AX28. See if we can even read it on here. AX28. Sometimes it's easier to put it around the small one and then just turn this big one. Watch pinching your fingers and stuff. I usually have some channel locks. You're good to go. Kick it back on and call her good. I think we fixed her. Let's go back downstairs. See if it's working. I think we fixed her. The other three are working, so I can check the belts on those while I'm up here, but I think we're good. Just gonna go back down to the kitchen. We'll see how she's working. I hate ladders. Woo. I hate heights, let's just say that. So the one that the chef says not working is this one. It's working. They all three are working. Look, it's working, man. I can probably climb up here and working. This one's working. I don't know. I mean, I feel wind. Yes, I can do the justice and climb up here. Oh man. Look how greasy that is. Yeah. Just take a look. See if maybe the belt's loose. Oh, come on. Oh, it looks good. Nice there, boy. Nice there. Whoa. That unit was nasty. Let's get back downstairs and we'll see. Oh man, long day. It's only 11:30 a.m. I went ahead and changed all the belts on those just to do them because they were leaving black crap on my hands. They are a little loose, so I went ahead and changed them. Everything's running. Calling this one's good to go. And now I'm going to make this the end of this video. Thanks for all watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all, and we'll see you on the next one.